One day, a man came to Sadhu Vaswani, our revered founder, and said to him, "Today has been the luckiest day in my life. In a single day today, I have been able to earn 3 lakhs of rupees." This was in the early 50s, when a lakh of rupees was regarded as a great treasure. He said, "In a single day today, I have earned 3 lakhs of rupees." Sadhu was, they are all corroborating me. Perhaps this balloon was present at that time. Thank you, Mr. Balloon. Then Sadhu Vaswani looked at this man and put to him a simple question. Sadhu Vaswani asked him, "In the whole day today, did you give food to a starving one? Did you give water to a thirsty one? Did you bring comfort into the life of someone who was in need of comfort? Did you give joy to someone who was in need of joy? Did you go and meet some sick person and spoke to him of the great teaching of the holy ones?" This man said, "No, I did not do any of these things." Then Sadhu Vaswani said to him, "You have lost your day. You think it is your luckiest day in life, but it is a wasted day." Put to yourself this question every night before you go to sleep. Did I bring joy into the life of someone who was in need of joy? Did I serve someone in need? Did I share the good things of life with someone in need? If you can answer the question in the affirmative, you have spent the day well. But if you, in spite of your racking your brain, you find that you did not do any of these things, then you should regard your day as a lost day indeed.
Dadaji, a lot of people who are people like me, for example, are stuck in the corporate rut, so to speak. A comfortable life, lots of money, a loving family, so everything is set, and it couldn't get much better or any worse at all. But if a person like that wants to dedicate his life to service, he gets an opportunity also to do the same, to leave his comfortable life and lead a life of service where his life will be meaningful, because the work that he does will be meaningful. Helping people, nation building. But what happens is, because you're so comfortable with where you are, you have a steady job, you have money, you have some income coming in, you are set in your own city, that you don't want to move out of that comfort zone. How does one indeed move out of that comfort zone?
You can begin in a small way. Why do you want to give up your style of living and devote yourself completely to the task of making other people happy? You can start in a simple way. Then gradually, as you get the joy of service, if your service is unselfish, if your service is selfless, if your service is without any thought of return, you feel very happy. And once you get the taste of that happiness, you like to do more and more of it. So just get into the line, get into the queue.
I'm going to try that for sure.
Come to me. We both will march together.